pretty wet out there. Oh, I'm ready for some lightning here. Look at how dark it is over there. Wind picked up. Rain just started coming in sideways. Look at it. Wow, cold rain. Look at it. Oh, hammering down. Good, better go put a rain jacket on and work inside. Check out the falls on the way home. That fucking Lord power. There's Tornado Alley right through here. York Hill. Firewood. I'm going to take a quick walk over here, see how far we can get. Pine trees, they snap pretty easy. Big maples, not so easy. Just splintered. Look at that, it just splintered it right up. Treetops, broken right off. Bent right over. Doesn't even look like anything lit. Bent right over. Uprooted out of the ground. Shattered the place. This might be the end of the road. I was trying to get to the meadow. Bang crash. Be able to work our way through this. I see footprints. Somebody's been in here. Big dead tree. Big pine. A couple of them are still standing. That's what a tornado looks like in Vermont. Right through this heavy growth forest. Gonna make some new habitat for the wildlife. A little bit of browse for them. Shredded it. Tree must have been a rockin'. You can smell the pine tree. Look at the sap running out of it.